Manage System Time is a new task available on the Z14 HMC. With this task, System Administrator can perform all operations related to management of coordinated time network from a single management point. All managed systems are represented within a single task, thus eliminating need for switching between multiple tasks. When Managed System Time task is launched, HMC communicates with all managed systems to gather their STP information. Only systems enabled for STP will appear in the task. Depending on the number of systems and state of their connections, this can take a few moments. The Managed System Time task is comprised of 4 main regions that contain information and actionable components. The largest area in the center is occupied by the timing network topological display. On top of the topological display is a toolbar that includes timing details, status, and zoom controls. The upper leftmost region contains global timing network details. Directly below that is a list of the STP actions, as well as a help link with comprehensive information about the task. Entire left region can be easily collapsed to give more room to the topological display. An HMC can manage many different systems which may not all be in the same CTN. Global CTN Details area has a CTN ID field that indicates which CTN's information is currently displayed. It is easy to switch between different CTNs by selecting one from the drop-down list. Selecting a different CTN immediately updates all regions of the Managed System Time display. A CTN ID can be globally renamed using the CTN ID field. This change is validated as user types and then propagated to every system that is part of that CTN. Below the CTN ID field is the rest of the information about the CTN. The membership field indicates whether the CTN is restricted or unrestricted. You'll also notice there are some useful inline definitions of various technical terms. These terms are especially annotated with dotted underlines. Clicking on an inline definition pops up a tooltip with a technical explanation of that term. All systems are grouped by stratum level up to stratum 4. Clicking on a system name pops up a details tooltip for that system in the topology view. Each system with a role in the CTN will have its role listed next to it. Stratum labels and system roles all have inline definitions. All the CTN configuration information is represented graphically in the topological display. The external time source information is shown at the top of the topology, and stratum labels run down the left side of the topology. Each system is positioned in the topology according to its stratum level. Badges next to system names clearly indicate the roles for each system. Hovering the mouse over a system will highlight that system and all the connections to it. Clicking on a system will pop up a system detail overlay, which includes the system name, role, timing state, and other useful information. Similarly, hovering the mouse over any link will highlight the link, and clicking a link pops up a details overlay. This overlay includes detailed information about the link, including information regarding active links. In addition, because links connect two systems, the link overlay allows user to view link details from the perspective of either system. The topology view can be magnified and minimized using the zoom controls on the left side of the toolbar. Time and the zone details are also shown in the toolbar. Clicking on the current time details will pop up an overlay with the detailed time information. From here, user can also launch dialogues to adjust time zone offset, and adjust leap second offset. Back at the left-hand side below CTN details are STP actions. These are multi- or single-step wizards that let user perform configuration actions or view more detailed information. When launched, every STP action takes in currently selected CTN information. Therefore, every action is performed for currently selected CTN. With these actions, user can add and remove systems from CTN, configure external time source, set up or deconfigure CTN, modify some assigned server roles, set CTN restrictions, export CTN data to an Excel spreadsheet, and perform diagnostic actions. Make sure to watch our other tutorials for more information on these actions.